So I'm now done with work and kanina I just attended the meeting and I'm supposed to stay in the whole day but nag-half day na ako. Nagpaalam na ako sa boss ko because I have to rush going to the media launch. And nagpaalam na lang ako last minute kasi hindi ko alam anong oras din ako makakarating because I know that traffic is terrible in Makati kapag gantong oras actually. Plus it's a Friday. So though hindi pa naman sweldo, lagi naman traffic sa Makati, right? So we're going now. I just wanna find the best route. So pinapa-left na ako. Kanina pinapa-straight ako. Pero ganun pa rin, Hill Puyat pa rin. So Glorieta, Palm Drive na Activity Center. So nagbago na naman isip niya, pinapa-straight na naman niya ako. So the media launch will be at Glorieta Activity Center, Palm Drive. So that should be, I'm not sure if I should park at Glorieta 3, but I guess yun na yung nearest na parking, basement parking for me. So doon na lang magpa-park. Honestly speaking, I should be at home. Kunyari, after nito, I was originally planning to go home and leave the car there. Tapos, mag-grab na lang ako going to Glorieta. However, na-realize ko, grabe na yung mga grab fees. Well, mas mura ang InDrive. I have tried na yung InDrive. Pero kasi wala siyang auto-deduct sa mga cards and whatnot. And wow, I'm spending a lot of time here. Hindi pa ako nakakaalis ng BGC. Good luck talaga. Sana umabot ako. Problema ko, naliligaw ako lagi sa Glorieta. Ikaw ba? Bilib ako sa taong hindi naliligaw sa Glorieta.
matagal. Medyo matagal. Flash. Ano talaga?
Miss Aya. Hello!
Hello, Dorothy. Welcome. Hello.
Bakit?
Ang laki naman ng bag mo.
O, ikaw magbitbit. Hayaan mo siya, okay lang.
Ay, may napakita.
Ayoko. Hi, Jeloy! Hi! Happy to see you again. Kami lang, mga leads.
Oo, wala.
Wala, si Arvin di pa nakaluwas ng Bicol eh. Kaming dalawa lang ni Carla. Kami lang ni Carla. Baka after work, diretso rin ako dito. Good luck, congrats! Hello!
Kakalala kayo?
Not yet,
Liza.
CJ.
Liza. Hi!
Instant score.
Okay.
Yes, Carly, hi!
Naka-play na? Naka-play na ba?
Yes, your record. Finally seeing you. Hindi tayo nakikita. Puro tayo chat.
Freelance na ako.
Oo nga.
Nakatanong pa sa'yo.
My gosh, goals, goals.
Ang cordial! Kamusta ang cafe?
Masaya naman. Maraming caffeine. Excuse me po. There's free coffee. Carla! Kuha tayong kape. Sabi niya kasi may free coffee. May laman ba to? Ay, may laman, day. May laman.
May bulsa na yun.
Pag nabawasan po to, isa sa akin, isa kay Carl, isa kay Arvin.
Arvin. Oh.
Tatlo siya. Naisip ko sila. Walang laman yung camera. Ito lang. Tapos demo lang pala, no? Let's get coffee.
At a warm and a glow, love serenading in the night.
Slow down.
Disturb his flow,
Doon tayo sa slow down. Naman tayo mag-at peace.
still with tranquility.
Parang matatagin ka sa at peace, eh, no?
100% guarantee.
Kita. Ay. Yeah, ito na.
O, lagyan pa natin ng lagyan pa natin ng effect.
Doon na to, patapat mo doon. Tapat mo sa'yo. Camera mo. Kaya tayo mag-edit.
Ah,
Picture mo na ba?
sige.
saya. Lo-
Pwede naman pala mag-selfie.
Selfie tayo.
Tara, tara.
Marami namang film eh.
Tara tayo dito.
Entertaining us with smooth beats.
Ay, ano mo, wide mo.
Ladies and gentlemen, we don't want
Ay, naka-off.
Ay, naka-on na yun.
Oo.
before we officially start with
Wala bang timer to?
Meron.
Nakanato ko.
inform you that we also have a display of convex street mirrors, perfect for snap
Game.
photos or taking fun videos. And speaking of photos, feel free to take the Instax Wide Eagle for a spin and snap a photo. You may take the films with you or leave them
Tapos na. Isa pa.
Sa pang 10.
And remember,
Ten.
don't just capture memories, expand them. Make every shot a masterpiece and tell your stories boldly, creatively, and
Okay lang yon. Mawalang galang na. Si print ko.
best part is, we're just
Ikot mo.
now.
Yarn.
I know a lot of you have been excited while you were eating or maybe grabbing a cup of coffee. A lot of you have been excited to hear about the unique features for the Wide Evo. But we'll be getting into that once we
Sira.
Hindi namin kayo mag-iinit.
Depende, ikaw iikot o ako iikot.
Okay. Alright, so as you can see, we have 10 film effects that you can adjust over at the right side of your wide eagle camera.
What's the creative process like using our product and perhaps connecting the features of the product and what it can produce and your art? So maybe we can start with Jenoy. Thank you very much also to our media friends, dealers,
Onboarding ni
and
Carla. I
our
cannot
wonderful
believe it.
guests
Na-invite
for joining
ako.
us and for making
Carla, yung onboarding mo may
this event
pakain.
possible.
Kain lang
Presence
kayo.
this afternoon.
Hi! Met Bea here.
Cool event.
Yeah. Thank you. Nice meeting you.
Hello! Hey!
Ito naman.
Kasi nababali si Sir Peter eh. Ang haba.
Game.
Medyo mabay. Point five.
One more.
One more po.
Yay!
Ano po kami sabi ko picture tayo?
Say hi!
Hello!
Kamusta ang ano? Kamusta maging may-ari ng gatasan?
Malapit na ako maging baka. Mo! Nakita mo na ba yung baka doon?
Tingin!
Wait!
Binibenta sa'yo.
Wait!
Bakit nag-grab ka na?
Nagagrab na sana yung baka doon tangina. Ayan, ito na yung baka. Kita mo ba yung baka? Mo!
May maghahatid daw sa akin. Hanggang saan niyo ako ihahatid? Ay, sarado na.
Dito lang.
Dito lang?
Mga